Look what I got. It's Wednesday and I full on had a lunch at work, but the Wednesday meal came out, so let's try it while we're wearing a white dress. Why not? What could go wrong? First, to start off, we have the chocolate black cherry frosty and then the vanilla one. Best served cold like revenge. Oh. The vanilla is really good. It's only right to start with dessert first. It's gonna melt in my no AC car. Let's try chocolate. Like, look at that. Ooh. I thought I would like the chocolate better, but the vanilla with the cherry just tastes, you can taste the cherry a lot more, and I do. That one's more refreshing. The rest of the meal is a small fry, 10-piece chicken nugget, and then it comes with a special dipping sauce, mystery sauce. Hey, what? There's 4 different sauces and I don't know which ones I got? They're all mysteries? It could be nowhere to woo, grave mistake, you can't hide, and this will sting. All of those sound spicy. Oh God, oh God. I'm gonna keep this one on deck just in case it gets a little too spicy. I guess we have to open both and find out what we got. Oh my God. It's like slightly purple. And that was a big dip. Oh my God, that's really good. Woo! But the kickback. Wow. Oh! Is this the cherry sauce from the Frosty? What the fuck? It's like a honey garlic. Not spicy. The tiniest fucking drop. That one's good. This one tastes better, but I think it's too spicy for me. Woo! But it tastes so good. You done good, Wendy's. You done good. Thanks for eating with me. The Wednesday meal was a solid 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. I gotta try the other 2 sauces now.